Royal was founded on a dream to design and build the best cooking equipment possible. Upgrade your kitchen today with Royal products so you can put more time into what makes up your dream menu. Royal, engineered for excellence. Introducing the Royal Electric Countertop Griddle. The Royal low-profile electric counter griddle is only 11 inches high to fit perfectly on a refrigerated base or equipment stand, allowing for a perfect 36-inch working height. Royal counter equipment is available in 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, and 72-inch widths to meet any operator's needs. The Royal Electric Griddle comes standard with stainless steel front and sides. All griddles come standard with a 4-inch wide grease trough and large drain opening for easy cleaning. The electric thermostatic griddles come with a 3/4-inch thick polished steel griddle plate and 3.4 kilowatts of independent heating elements every 12 inches. The thermostat has a temperature range of 200 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. All Royal griddles come standard with a large 1 1/2 gallon capacity stainless steel grease can. All units are available in either 208 or 240 volts with either single or 3-phase connections. All Royal counter equipment is covered by a 2-year parts and labor warranty. The Royal Electric Countertop Griddle, engineered for excellence. For further information regarding all of our electric countertop equipment, please contact Royal Customer Service at 951-360-1600 or email us at customerservice@royalranges.com.